Hello class. I wanted to give you a quick tour of our class in Canvas and show you how to navigate the class and access content. I'll also show you where to find the syllabus, which is the most important component of our class. The first page you'll see is the course homepage, which we're on. The homepage will have links to the course information module. It will also have links to the content modules. And the instructor contact information and grades, and also the Canvas support hotline. Content can also be accessed by clicking the links on the course navigation menu located on the left side of the homepage. It includes the homepage link, modules, syllabus, grades, announcements, and discussions. You can also access a Canvas tour video in the course information module. Click the tab and it will take us to the first course information module, and then click on Canvas course tour, and then click on the video. You'll find more detailed information on how to navigate Canvas. Next, I want to show you where to find the syllabus. Click on Syllabus tab in the navigation menu. That will take you to the syllabus page. You'll see our welcome video, and within the syllabus, you'll learn about other details about the class. For example, my contact information, office hours, the course description, and textbook information. We will be using an OER textbook, which is a zero-cost textbook that's available electronically. You would just click on Counseling 116 ebook, and that will take you straight to our textbook. There's also a link to our catalog, which we will be using as a reference. That concludes my brief introduction on how to navigate Canvas. Please let me know if you have any more questions.